So it's becoming more and more common for SaaS products, services, agencies, whatever it might be, to include video testimonials on their websites because they convert so much better than other content. This is a great example from Flowdesk, who have added this recently. But if you try to start adding a load of video onto your website, it can start to get really slow. Customizing it and being in control of all the different mute and play buttons and keeping it on brand is kind of tricky. So I'm going to show you a site where you can just set this up, plug it into your website, and then you're good to go. And then your marketing team can also just manage it and update it whenever they want with new content. So let's just dive in. So we are doing this with Clipara. You can just head to the website and create an account. And then within my account, I'm going to create a campaign, and a campaign is a collection of videos. Create campaign, and go on site for embedding. And I'm going to use the inline player that plays videos in the page. I've already uploaded a bunch of videos here. I'm doing an example for Canva, who have loads of UGCs and reviews. You can also just bulk upload your content or add in content from Instagram and TikTok and things. So let's just pick these 7 videos, create campaign. We've got a few different layout options and things. So maybe let's go with this version here, and then we're going to customize this template. So you've got all of your videos in here. You can customize how the buttons look, for example. So you can change these, you can change the position of them, and the play button can be changed to a bunch of different styles. You can move around where it sits on the video. I'm actually going to stick with these. I'm going to put them in the bottom left. And then you can add titles to each video to give more context. And you can also change the thumbnail for each video. So let's go on to titles. So if I do this, I can just add a title and subtitle each one. I'll just quickly whiz through and put some placeholder ones in here. And then once you've added your titles, these will automatically adapt to the font of your site. But you can also change the font in here if you want to. You can change the positioning of them, all of this kind of stuff. And then once you've created your carousel, I'm actually going to change this slightly again. I'm going to change the thumbnails to be in their full 16:9 layout. And then I'm just going to hit save, copy that code. And in this example, I'm using a Webflow site, but you can really do this on absolutely any website builder or a custom built website. And then that means your marketing team and things can update it whenever they want. And then I'm just going to hit publish. And then we will check out the final site in a second. And there you have your carousel. Obviously, you can completely customize all of the design and everything, like I mentioned. You can go back and update the videos, swap them out, change thumbnails and things whenever you want without any developers. And you've then got this nice swiping video experience. It's got global mute control, so it stops other videos playing and things like that. And you can literally drop this in any website builder or custom website, whatever it is you're doing, and you're never going to need to touch any code. And the best thing is, no matter how many videos you have in this carousel, it's not going to slow your website down at all. The number one thing that normally happens is people drop a load of MP4s in a page, and then their page becomes incredibly slow. So yeah, create whatever you want and enjoy.